So guys, these are basically 4 items, 4 pieces, and each one you will be able to have a discount from our channel just below 5 dirhams. So globally, the pack of 4 piece, 1, 2, 3, 4, you are getting just below 20 dirhams only through the link of our description. And if you are in UAE, of course, so don't miss this discount. It's a limited time promotion, limited stock available. Of course, first come first serve. The link will be expired in a few days after the launch of this video, this promotion. And more importantly, the link is will direct you to Amazon account. So basically you're gonna have to have Amazon buy account to avail this special discount. So let me give you quick. So basically it's all about the microfiber and the cleaning, home cleaning, car cleaning, kitchen dusting, and all those daily needs. So these are 4 items, so including one with the duster with a nice cushy and soft furs like that. So it's very nice for cleaning anything at your home, car, toys, or your glass windows or kitchen top or whatever. And of course then you have so many these cloths which are very high quality, very thick. You can see the thickness over here. Inside it's gray, and outside it's different color, like okay, we have blue, green, yellow. So the color side is for very detailed cleaning, like okay, if you need to clean your screens or tablet or your mobile phones, or very detailed cleaning, so you can do this with this side. And this side, normally the gray side, is for rough cleaning, okay, kitchen top and other. Don't please waste the opportunity for the special discount on our channel.